Hey and welcome. I'm your boy Solo. In this video, I'll be going over how to add a controller overlay to your Twitch stream. So before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. Okay, so as you can see, I have the controller down there on the side and you can see me pushing the buttons. And all my movements showing up down there. You can pick a different color. The white one actually shows up quite a bit better, but I'm going to just go over how to add it. It's actually fairly easy. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to tap out of the game here and I'm going to jump over to a website called gamepadview.com. Hashtag. I'll make sure to leave a link to everything you're going to need down in the description below. But all you're going to need to do is come in here, go down, select player one, select, you can either pick PlayStation or Xbox. So if you have an Xbox, you can pick Xbox White. So what I suggest doing is going with whatever controller that you have and putting it in white color because they do show up quite a bit better. Once you have that, you can go through here and you can customize the color a little bit. I don't touch that. But right here, there's a little menu and you can click here and it will say generate a URL. This is going to be the URL so that you can add it to your OBS. And like I said, this is pretty easy. Just give generate link a click. Make sure everything's in here is selected the same as what you had it. So it's player one, PlayStation 3. We want PlayStation 3 white. So you'll make sure that you check this here skin drop down to make sure it's the one that you selected. If you don't know, you can go back and check in here and you'll see PlayStation 4 white. So we're going to make sure that it matches when we click generate link. We'll just go down here to the PlayStation 4 white. Everything else should stay the same and it will automatically generate the link. We just need to click here to copy it. From here, we're just going to open our OBS. I'm going to add a new source. I'm going to add a browser source. We already have one in here called controller, but we're going to name this one here controller 2. And we're just going to paste the URL in here and shut down source when not visible and refresh browser source when becomes active and then click OK. After that, immediately you should have your controller show up on the screen. You can click a couple of the buttons just to make sure that it works. And like I said, the white one does show up. It's more preferred. I have the dark one here because like I said, I was just doing this as an example. And that's really all you'll need. After that, you'll have the controller added. And if you do need to re-add it or change something on it, you can always come back to the gamepad view.com and generate a new source, and then all you'll need to do to change it is just edit the controller. You can click here on the properties and just paste the new URL in there. I find that the easiest way to change the controller. If you happen to make more than one change, just paste it in the same source. You don't have to remake a new one each time. It's always going to be the exact same, and if you paste it in the source, it should be sized the correct way that you had it before. But that's it for this one here. That's as easy it was to get your controller on screen. If you are looking for other videos like this here to add, maybe if you're on mouse and keyboard, if you want that to show up on screen, I will be covering that in a later video, so definitely stay tuned for that. But that's it for this one here, guys. I hope that helped you out. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching.